Good morning. Today is Friday, February 20th, 2026. I'm here at Marsh Landing, and this is a before video of unsubscribed. Yep, so we got growth everywhere. Not a lot of hard growth on the hole itself, but it's still very furry. So we're gonna go ahead and clean it all up, get an after video.